There was a pen hidden inside. What the?
You're not supposed to be here.
Who are you? You look just like me.
I should ask you the same thing, imposter. Do you like what we did to Mom? Don't you just want to kill her sometimes? I know I do.
You're a complete lunatic, aren't you?
Takes one to know one. Now, I'd love to stay and chat, doppelganger, but I have more important things to do. Ta-ta.
Oh my god. Mom? You're here? Mom, can you hear me? Don't worry, I'll find a way to get you out of here. There was a scalpel hidden inside the wall. There you go, Mom. Are you okay? No! I had no choice. I had to put you away. You started hurting yourself. You started hurting me.
I forgive you.
Oh, God. Get me out of this place. There's a weird scarab thing in there. There's also something here on the door itself. Refrigerator magnets in the shape of Scrabble tiles. The score values are off, though. I remember because the game I played with E the other day. Hopes in jar, an inkier heart, rule me nemesis. Not sure what to make of it all.
You killed Mom!
That wasn't Mom, it was some kind of monster.
We're all monsters to you, aren't we? Kill her, Dad!
No, it can't be.
Who's your daddy now, bitch?
Stay away from me.
Good riddance.
I've been angry with you for as long as I can remember. I've hated you, more than words can say. I will never forgive you, Dad, but I'm done being angry. I'm done with letting you have an impact on my life. There are 2 padlocks here. One requires a key, the other is a combination lock. This padlock might be useful. I don't think I need to use the chain itself for anything right now. That should work.
Damn, it's nailed shut.
There was a key hidden inside the scarab. Damn, it's locked. I don't see a keyhole. It must be bolted from the other side. Okay, now what to do with the actual chain? It doesn't reach that far. No use. I'll need something. All right, we should be good to go. No, it can't be. Grandpa!
It's so good to see you, Kathy. You found our shared truth. Well done.
Is it really you? You've been here for all this time?
It hasn't been that long from my point of view.
I've missed you, Grandpa. I wanted to come back so many times.
I know you did. I've been watching you every step of the way.
I found out how you tried to get me back from Mom and everything.
I just wanted you to be safe. I wanted what's best for you.
Can I get you out of here somehow? I don't know how all this works.
I'm afraid that's not possible. Upon my death, I knew I was finally free. I felt myself pulled away from here. But then I saw you on that screen. I chose to remain until we could meet. One last time.
What is this horrible place, Grandpa? I feel like I'm dreaming, but I'm not. I don't even know what's real anymore.
I can only give you my pointless theories, which range from everything between divine punishment and a mindless force of nature. What truly matters is not what it is or where it comes from, but what it does. It takes each of our fears, every source of guilt, and turns them against us. When I came here, I had hubris. I thought I was the one who could beat it. I thought I could kill it somehow. Like all those men I butchered in the war. I was wrong.
So, it's pointless. We can't stop it?
I believe there is a way. The red flowers, Kathy. I've come to understand that they anchor this realm to the real world. When you make it out of here, you need to destroy them. You need to burn them all. If I'm right, this place will be ripped away.
But if I do that, what will happen to you?
Don't worry about me. I'll just go where dead people go. There are worse things than dying, kid. Believe me.
But I just got you back. I can't bear to lose you again.
You don't need me, Kathy. You never did. You're stronger than you'll ever know. I'm so proud of the woman you've become.
This is so unfair. This fucking sucks.
I know, darling. I know. We don't have much longer. Remember what I said, and stay strong.
Grandpa! You can get through this, Kathy. This wasn't here before. Looks like a crowbar, taped on some kind of wooden surface. This desk does look similar to what I saw on the TV. Found a crowbar taped under there.
Do you see? I don't want to see. Do you see? Yes, kid, I see.
Do you know who I am now?
I don't like this. I want to go home.
You'll never go home. We won't let you. When you threw me away, this place took me in, nurtured me. Do you regret what you did?
I just feel sadness. I took away a part of me, eliminating a possible future. Decisions like that can be overwhelming and sad, but they're a part of life. You're just here to test me, to try and break me.
Bravo! Bravo!
Is this what gets you off? Tormenting people? Watching them squirm?
Oh no! Our only delight is watching you burn away the pain and rise from the ashes. And oh, how you have risen, Kathy.
If you're so fucking pleased with me, let Eileen go.
Oh, well, here's a little secret. Eileen Summers was never really in our grasp. Souls of her nature are like greasy little piglets to us. They keep slipping away. We are only concerned with those who truly long for our embrace. People like you, Kathy. For only what is shattered needs mending.
You can fuck off. I'm not some broken thing for you to toy with.
Whether you accept it or not, you are mended, Kathy. The collapse comes next.
The collapse?
Hurry now, Mender. The path is clear, but your bubble is about to burst.
I have to get the hell out of here. Shit, it broke. I can't get all the way down. Okay, now what? I can't believe I'm doing this.
You have ruined everything! Why do you hate us so much? What did we ever do to you?
This mirror routine is getting tiring. And I'm not afraid anymore. I see you for what you are. You are nothing but a fearful little child, and there's nowhere left for you to hide. Now get the hell out of my way.
No!
You look a bit pale.
No! I am the original! I am... This can't be happening!
I'm speechless. That's a first.
Well, here goes nothing. Now that's a hard impact. What if the graves can be pushed in like buttons? It's a shaft leading down. Ah, shit. Just a little bit longer, Kathy. You can make it.
Ugh, my head. It's like the worst hangover ever. I need to stay focused. Burn them all, Kathy. Burn them all. That should be enough.
Oh, damn. That's a strong smell. Shit. Should have stayed clear of that smoke. Ugh. Oh, fuck. I gotta get out of here. Oh, thank God. There you are, girl.
Major forest fire raging in Conwell Woods. The cause of the blaze has yet to be determined. But the latest reports say that the fire has been successfully contained. Largely thanks to the local lake, which provided ample water for the dousing efforts. Over to you, Mark.
Oh, thank goodness you're all right.
You're back. We were worried about you.
Oh, thank God. Are you okay, E?
I think so, but I feel a bit different. Yeah? You were out for a long time. Do you remember anything? I think Isaac drugged me. I started feeling dizzy and weak. He carried me into the woods. I remember hearing the wind in the leaves and the biting cold. There was a weird, sharp smell in the air, too. I'm not sure what happened next. Things are a bit blurry. But I remember this terrifying dream. You know, like one of those fever dreams? Something was chasing me. I kept slipping away, but no matter what I did, it kept coming.
Sounds scary.
It was. Well, and after that, the next thing I remember is waking up on this couch.
Well, I'm glad you're okay, E. Things looked scary there for a bit.
Yeah, Mary Elizabeth told me what happened, how you found me and got Isaac arrested.
Yes, about that poor man. The sheriff called. Something happened while you were away.
Welcome home, son.
Guess he finally grew a conscience.
I can't help but feel bad for him, despite what he did to me. In a way, he was a victim too.
At least we stopped him from hurting any more people. So, I guess this really is goodbye. A stupid part of me thought that if I would find the truth, I could be close to him again.
It's not stupid. We all look for love in the strangest of places. It's an inseparable part of human nature.
Jeez, when did you become so philosophical, E?
I told you, I feel different.
Yeah, me too. You know, despite everything, I think we made a half-decent team.
Really? You do?
Well, except for the part where you got yourself kidnapped. Try not to do that next time, okay?
Wait, there'll be a next time?